have to write this on your maths notebook while we have to do the practice. You will learn these steps. So this is an important thing. Let me explain 12B, then you can write. So the exercise 12B, classify following triangle as scalene, isosceles, equilateral according to the length of their sides. If they are same, if they are opposite, if the two are equal and the other is opposite. So the scalene is AEF, isosceles is BD, equilateral is C. Question number 2. Classify the following triangles as acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle triangle according to the magnitude of their angles. AD is acute, right angle is B, obtuse angle is CF. Given below is a set of triangles from the given list of attributes. Write two appropriate attributes for each of the triangles. So that we have to add them according to their sides, according to their angles. Second one is obtuse and scalene. Then we have acute and equilateral. Then we have isosceles and acute. And scalene and the obtuse, acute and isosceles. And then we have to, according to their angles, we have to find equilateral is ABF, scalene is AFE, acute angle triangle is ABE, right angle triangle is BCG, obtuse angle triangle is AFE, and the isosceles is BCG. Okay, we have to adding the angles, we find them, and we will have the scalene is EF, isosceles is BD, equilateral is C. And this will be solved like this. You have to follow the steps. The first one, we will get the 55 and then 45. So the question is not solved here, Aryan. Find the magnitude of PRS, QRS and PRPS. We have found all the angles, okay? Understood? Any question?
No.
Okay. We just have to do the quadrilateral. A, B, C, D given here. Name the following. This is a picture of quadrilateral. You have to pick all of them. I just wrote all the answers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. And they just ask about all of them. What they just ask?
All of them.
All of them. And the questions are, you have to pick the 4 sides, angle, 4 pair of adjacent sides. And all of them, these are the complete answer. And for the question number 2, you have to fill the blanks. And the question number 2, and these are the answers. Adjacent, opposite, vertex and opposite. Okay?
Yeah.
Exercise 12D. Fill in the blanks. In a square, we have to fill these blanks. In a square,
in the textbook or in the book?
you can do this on your textbook. Question number 1 should be done in your textbook. So in a square, dash angles are equal and dash sides are equal. All of them. Okay? All and all on both. Got it? I already wrote this. You can copy them and I'm just going to explain it to you. Okay?
Okay.
In the B part, in rhombus, dash angles are equal and dash sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal and all sides are equal.
Yes.
In the C part, a rhombus has dash pair of only two pairs.
Both pairs or two pairs?
2 pairs.
Yeah, right.
In the D part, the diagonal of a rhombus bisect each other at a right angles.
Bisect each other at
Right angles. I just wrote that answers. If the diagonals of the quadrilateral bisect and are perpendicular to each other, the quadrilateral is rhombus.
Wait, but rhombus is not right angle, is it?
If the diagonals of quadrilateral bisect are perpendicular to each other, the quadrilateral is rhombus.
I know, but no, not that one. The D1, the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other. Right?
Okay. The D is the diagonals of rhombus bisect each other at right angles. E is the diagonals. If the diagonals. Okay.
But then the D, how is it a right angle? Rhombus
The diagonals of rhombus bisect each other. Diagonals, when the diagonals, for example, have you ever seen the diagram of rhombus?
Yeah.
If we make a diagonal, it makes a right angle.
Oh, right. Oh, okay.
Yes. And in the F part, that is none. If in a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are equal and none of angles are equal. In the first blank, you have to put 1 and the next one you have to put none. Now understood?
Yeah. The diagonals of rhombus bisect.
Now the question number 2. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are equal. What is the other name for this parallelogram? Rectangle.
Shall I write this in my notebook?
Yes, you can. You can even write this on your textbook. Done?
Yeah, over my textbook.
Can I read the question number 3? The adjacent sides DA and AB of a parallelogram ABCD are 3 cm each. State the measurement of all the sides. What is the another name for the figure? That is the rhombus. Since all sides of this parallelogram equal and the figure is rhombus. Understood?
Yeah.
Now when you finish, let me know, then I will start the question number 4.
Adjacent sides of DA and AB.
Yes. Because all sides are 3 cm each.
DA and AB of a parallelogram. ABCD are 3 centimeters each. Take the expression of KX rhombus.
Can I read the question number 4?
Yeah.
Two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are equal and the included angle is right angle. What is the specific name for this figure? That is a square. That is a square. The figure is specially called a square. I didn't write the answer here. I just moved to the next part. Sorry, my bad. This figure is specially called a square. Answer of the 4th part. Okay.
Yeah, done.
Now the next page. So next in the quadrilateral ABCD, the side AB and the CD are parallel and all the angles are unequal. What is the another name for the quadrilateral? Now this is the answer of 5th, that is trapezium.
Yeah, and all the angles are unequal.
Understood?
Trapezium have one what? Right?
Yes. Now understood?
Yeah.
Now the question number 6. In the figure is kite, we have to prove these. AD is equal to AB. Yes.
Yeah.
You can write the reason, because in a kite,
Okay. Cause and effect.
two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Done?
Yeah.
Now the first one is ADO is equal to ABO. Yes, because the diagonals of a kite bisect each other at right angles. Understood?
Yeah, just maybe and then maybe. Yeah, okay.
In the C part, yes, as explained, and the B part, both are same now. They just shifted their place.
This angle DAO.
Same. Now can I move to the D part?
Yeah.
Yes, no,
Yes.
yes, and in the D part, that is no and then yes. In the D part, that is a completely no. Why? Because the diagonals intersect at different angles, so these are not necessarily equal.
They are.
No.
Like look, AO AOB, AOD, and then
They are not.
EOB.
They are intersecting at different angles. So this is not.
Okay.
And the E part, that is a yes, because in a kite diagonals are perpendicular, so these angles are 90. They are making 90 on each side, right angle. That's why.
But no, that's wrong.
No,
AOB,
look here, and this is a 0, 90. On each side, all of the angles are 90, Aryan. At the origin. Diagonals, na? Diagonals. DB is matching AC, then they are making a cross, like a plus. So they are making the whole chapter of number 12 and our syllabus also for your exams. Exercise 12F, check whether the given figure is in each of the following. It's a polygon. Only C is the polygon. Fill in the blanks. Regular, penta, 900, 6 sides, quadrilateral. And these are the names of all the figures. Understood?
Yeah.
Do you have any question in this whole chapter, Ryan?
No.
Any query, anything else you want to say, you want to discuss, or we are crystal clear here?
You want to do the high
Yes?
I want to do the high skills.
Yes.